All right, Geek Panthers, Ken here. So last week I was showing off my Fastball Special 3D printed statue that was gifted to me by Chris, created by fellow Geek-Pantser Jared. You can take a look now at a Joker statue that he created for me last year, based on the Arkham series. So here we go. And like last time, completely hand painted. Got this little headless Robin doll here. The blood splatter all has like a sheen to it, so it looks like actual blood. This is crazy. Blood all the way down his legs, right down to his feet. Some more blood splatter. Then down here, on the little podium that he's standing on, like this green toxic ooze coming out. The substance that created the Joker, most likely. And that also has that same shine to it that the blood has. So, there you go. Very, very awesome. Arkham style Joker.